Here we go, Friday afternoon, installing a new generator. Don't know the size, but I'm going to guess it's in the 8 to 10 kilowatt neighborhood. Looks like it's a Cummins Onan brand. You can watch the crane operator here. The big boom, the telescopes, swings right and left and cable up and down. You can hear the engine accelerate. He's lifting the generator. Looks like he walked under it, but he did not. Safety first. Some people ask, could you do this with the boat still in the water? And the answer is yes, you could, but it's not smart. If a wave came by and your boat started bouncing up and down, the generator does not bounce up and down, you're going to crash into something and damage the boat. So you might see he's lowering the boom. And in a moment, he's going to telescope the boom into the aft cockpit of the boat. Watch these sections here. There you go. See it telescoping? Something about men and their toys, yellow toys especially, bulldozers, cranes, backhoes. You can see him giving hand signals. So the boom has to go underneath that aluminum arch with the rocket launchers. Rocket launchers are those vertical tubes that hold the rod and reels. So now the next part, one guy's going to be in the engine room giving hand signals to the other guy on deck, giving hand signals to the guy driving the crane, and they'll get it set down in place, and then they'll use some porta powers to jack it around into the perfect position, bolt it into the engine bed in the boat, hook up the wires in the exhaust system, and then you're ready to go. If you have questions about boatyard projects, ask Captain Chris.